Hey y'all, welcome back. Look what I got. Vanna Black is going to demonstrate what we have today. This is going to help with my gardening, and I'm very excited. Lately, it was supposed to be the other thing. Look what I got. Look at that. It's my new handheld chainsaw. Shout out to J. Jordan for the link. I will link it below. It comes with extra chainsaw, saw chains. It comes with gloves, little, and it comes with battery packs, 2 battery packs. You hook it up right there, and your little charger. I am super excited. I got some trees to take down. Comes with instructions. And yeah, I'm looking forward to using her. Hey girl. What are we finna name her?
Connie.
Get right.
Connie.
Connie.
Oh,
Connie, get right. Alright. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned to some videos or lives using Miss Connie over here. Alright, love you, bye.